14,000 school districts from major cities and towns large and small form the backbone of our nation. They are preparing students to lead healthy and successful lives, creating safe schools where students can learn and grow while managing precious operating resources. At First Student, we understand school transportation weighs heavily on the minds of school administrators and have developed First Transportation Solutions to be a partner you can lean on as you find ways to improve your program. Your students' well-being is our top priority. A collaborative partnership with First Transportation Solutions enables your school district to benefit from our industry-leading safety record while improving your operational performance. Our partnership will assist you with successfully meeting your student transportation needs. As a seamless extension of your transportation team, our experts deliver custom-designed solutions specific to your transportation goals and needs. Some services include routing, maintenance, safety, sourcing, student ridership, and consulting. As a division of First Student, we leverage the expertise of over 50,000 employees, driving more than 44,000 school buses throughout 1,100 school districts in 39 states and 7 Canadian provinces. First Student provides more than 5 million student journeys every school day, which is more passenger journeys than all U.S. airlines combined. Learn more about how First Transportation Solutions can serve as a valuable, cost-effective resource for all your student transportation needs by contacting 513-419-3296 or First Transportation Solutions at firstgroup.com.